Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 6A and let me show you how to use power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the security app, and here you need to tap on battery. Here you've got the battery information such as the usage time, temperature, battery capacity and the percentage of your battery. So what's also really important here, you can use the battery saver. So let me tap on battery saver. As you can see, you can enable the battery saver right now. Here you've got the icon. As you can see, the following battery icon turns into orange. You can also turn off the battery saver when you have, for example, 60% or fully charge the battery. And you can also use the scheduled time to enable battery saver in exact moment, in exact time. For example, it could be the weekend or it could be the time, the exact time of the day. So basically that's it. Everything went well and everything is right here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.